Welcome to Review Source. Today we're covering the best large coolers with wheels, chosen for their durability, insulation performance, and ease of use on rough terrain. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now let's get started and see which of these beasts is worth your money. We're checking out the YETI Roadie 48 first. It's a powerhouse for anyone who needs rugged portability and serious ice retention. It packs a periscope handle that retracts smoothly and never flat single-piece wheels that are resistant to impacts and punctures. The roto-molded construction is basically indestructible, and the thick insulation keeps ice solid for days. Inside, it's tall enough for wine bottles, while the barefoot non-slip feet keep it from sliding on wet boat decks. Feedback shows it's the best in its class for build quality. Experts found it keeps frozen items frozen for up to 34 hours. It rolls smoothly, and users love the color options, though it's a heavy unit and might not fit in smaller trunks. While some consider it pricey, the consensus is that it's a top-tier investment. It doesn't play around when it comes to durability. If you want a cooler that survives rough handling and keeps your drinks cold without drama, this is a smart pick. It's built to last and performs exactly as advertised. From the smooth gliding wheels to the sturdy handles and non-slip feet, every feature is designed to enhance usability in demanding environments. It's an investment that elevates any outdoor experience for anyone prioritizing reliability.
The BrüMate BrüTank is next, and it's clearly designed to be the life of the party. It packs a unique built-in 3-gallon drink tank with a removable dispenser, so you can pour cocktails or water without opening the lid. It's sitting on puncture-resistant, all-terrain wheels and features 3 inches of closed-cell foam insulation for exceptional ice retention. It fits 48 cans with the tank or 72 cans without it. It even has a built-in bottle opener and a dry rack for food. Customer feedback is glowing, specifically regarding the ocean swirl design and the convenience of having a tap on the beach. It keeps ice cold for days and offers plenty of storage. However, keep in mind that it's heavy, especially when filled with liquid. It's an innovative solution for anyone who hosts outdoor events and wants high-end functionality. It's a beast that simplifies serving drinks while keeping everything chilled. For those prioritizing versatility and style, this is a winner. It's well worth the money for the features. The wheels and ergonomic handles make even long treks manageable.
Next is the RTIC 52 Quart Ultra-Light. It's designed for adventurers who want performance without the back-breaking weight. It's over 30% lighter than standard roto-molded coolers, but still packs 2.5 inches of closed-cell foam insulation. You're getting puncture-resistant, all-terrain wheels and a sturdy handle that makes navigating gravel or sand easy. It's tall enough for wine bottles and has enough room for a full weekend of supplies. Feedback suggests it's actually better than a YETI for some, offering excellent ice retention at a better value. The build quality is sturdy, and it rolls well on various terrains. While it's marketed as ultra-light, some users still find it heavy when fully loaded, though it's definitely easier to manage than its rivals. It's a reliable, mid-range powerhouse that keeps ice solid for days. If you're looking for a cooler that's versatile, lightweight, and capable at a premium price tag, this is the one. It's a great companion for any camping or fishing trip. It balances practicality and durability, delivering high performance in outdoor conditions.
The Igloo MaxCold Glide is all about moving big loads without the struggle. It features a horizontal telescoping handle that requires 50% less lifting effort, which is a massive win for your back. The body has UV inhibitors to prevent sun damage, and the Ultratherm foam provides up to 5 days of ice retention. It's a huge unit with soft ride wheels that glide over pavement and grass easily. Feedback highlights that it's a high-quality product, perfect for big gatherings. The handle length is a favorite feature, making it easy to maneuver despite its size. It's considered a great buy for the money, though sturdiness feedback is a bit mixed. Some users find it tough, while others have reported the latches can be a bit flimsy if you're too rough with them. But for families and tailgaters who need massive capacity and ergonomic transport, it's a solid choice. It balances user-friendly design with robust construction, ensuring your items stay cold and secure during long trips. Every element, from the smooth wheels to the telescoping handle, contributes to a cooler that is easy to manage while keeping your items cold.
Finally, we have the Coleman Classic Series. This is a durable, budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice performance. It's built to keep ice for up to 5 days in 90-degree heat and features a have-a-seat lid that supports 250 pounds. It packs heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and a leak-proof drain plug for easy cleanup. With a 160-can capacity, it's perfect for large parties or long camping trips. We like the molded cup holders that actually keep your drinks stable. Feedback shows it's a great workhorse, with many users using it as extra fridge space during holidays. It's lightweight when empty and very spacious. Some reports mention the wheel quality can be disappointing if used on very rough terrain, but for most backyard or beach scenarios, it's reliable. It's a no-nonsense pick for anyone who needs high capacity and decent cooling without spending a fortune. It's well-made, keeps things cold as described, and offers great value. If you need a functional, durable wheeled cooler, this is the staple choice. Its combination of practical design elements, large capacity, and ice retention makes it a dependable choice for those seeking performance. And that wraps up the top 5 best large coolers with wheels. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest outdoor gear picks. Check the description for links. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.